the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it,
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it, you.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig. Shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking, it says name is LFW039. Then it gives the order number, and then it says the texture is yaki. So this is a yaki texture, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. The length is 18 inches. The hair origin is 100% Malaysian hair. The hair color is color number 2, same as picture. The cap size is size number 2. I did get this unit in the cap size 2, and that circumference is 22.5 to 23. The cap construction is a 13 by 4.5 lace front lace front wig, HD Swiss lace, and the lace color is light brown. Okay, so those are all the details and specs with this particular unit. Now, I do want to go ahead and talk about the cap size. I did ask them to send me a larger cap size, and I probably should have got the smaller cap size because it's a little big, girl. Like my hairline, my edges, or my whatever down here. What is this called? What would this be called? Whatever this is down here is all the way down here. Okay, and mine is like right here. And I know that was a team my bad, and it was a team my bad because I should have told the company to send me the average, the small to average size. But I was thinking that the bigger it was, the better it would be for me. But honestly, I would recommend you guys get whatever cap size you are, because on this side it fits great. Like, look at it, girl. Look at it, girl. Okay, so it fits great, but I feel like you need to definitely get whatever cap size you are. Okay, so I want to throw it out there right quick. As far as tweezing, this unit came pre-tweezed. Like, she woke up like this, girl. Okay, she woke up like this. I did did not have to bleach this wig whatsoever. Like, literally, old girl woke up how you guys see her right now. Okay, she woke up like this. I did not have to do anything to that part of this unit whatsoever. I didn't have to tweeze it. I didn't have to bleach it. I didn't have to do any other things, okay? The only thing I did was apply my foundation powder underneath, and that was it. Not my foundation powder, girl. My foundation liquid. I mean, whatever. My liquid foundation. But that is it, okay? Old girl woke up like this. So that is always a plus in my book, honey. Now, with this particular unit, you can definitely wear this wig glueless, and this would have probably been the only wig that I could have actually worn glueless had I gotten the right cap size. And like I said, that is team my bad. So just make sure you get your right cap size, and then the unit will fit how you want it to fit. So yeah, that is pretty much it. As far as shed and tangling, honey, I received none of the things straight out of the packaging. I only shedded a little bit around the areas that I had kind of cut, you know, the hair. So it was shedding in those areas, but prior to that, the unit was not shedding whatsoever. So that is always a plus in my book. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you're interested in my pros and cons with this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this unit is the fact that it's a 13x4, and it's a 13x4.5, but it's still 13x4, okay? Meaning, if you don't style it a certain way, you're gonna be able to see the wealth of the unit. So you just have to be really, really careful with these sort of units. It kind of makes styling a little bit more limited, not completely limited, but just a little bit more limited, you know what I'm saying? It's still a lace front, but it just makes the styling options, you know, you have to be a lot more careful. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna throw that out there to y'all. Alright, so my pros with this unit, and I was gonna start with my number one pro, and I don't even know if this is a number one pro because there's so many pros with it. But I love the hairline. I think the hairline is absolutely phenomenal with this wig. I also love the fact that it came pre-bleached. Another thing that I love about this unit is the fact that it is a yaki texture. Yaki texture hair is like probably one of my favorites because it just gives a more realistic illusion to the unit to me. And I feel like yakier textures last longer. So that may just be a me thing. Now, as far as curling it, you know, you can get definitely a more wavy sort of style. You can, if you curled it and actually pin curled it, it would be more of a deeper curl. But I love the look of just yaki wigs because I feel like they look really, really natural. I also want to go ahead and throw it out there, honey. I don't know, but they're little products, okay? I don't know if you can just buy these or not, but they did send me their lace glue, which, honey, oh girl is stuck, okay? She's stuck, okay? So they sent me their lace glue, and they also sent me their flyaway timer, and I love these products as well. So okay, my first wig come through with the come through, okay? So I don't know if you can just get these products on their site or not, but I want to throw it out there as well because, honey, my hair is stuck, okay? And I got other videos to do, so I don't know what I was gonna do, okay? So yes, I personally would recommend this wig. I would recommend it just because of how natural it looks and because it doesn't take the same amount of work that the normal frontal would take because it already came pre-bleached. It already came pre-tweezed. So it just takes away those really, really hard aspects. And the only thing you gotta focus on is getting old girl on your head, honey, okay? That is it, okay? And I basically showed you how I put units on my head, but you kind of have to play around with units and play around with your own technique, okay? So you will find stuff that works for you. I did do the ball cap method with this wig only because I had saw pictures with people applying this unit because honestly, honey, I wasn't even gonna glue old girl down, okay? Because I didn't feel like it really needed to. I was just gonna spray the edges and let that be it. But because they had sent me pictures, I did decide to glue it down, and because they had sent me glue, I decided to glue it down. So now I'm stuck, okay? But I would recommend this unit for those reasons because I just feel like it's really, really easy and it's super, super beginner friendly in my opinion. Alright, honey, let's do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up, okay? So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're feeling this unit. Let me know if you've gotten a unit in this Jackie texture, if you ever tried their glue, and if you like their glue as much as I do. Like, girl, this glue is like, child, she got my eyes looking a little like, you know what I mean? So yeah, shout out to Myfirstwig. I really do appreciate it. And if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on the I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.